Drop it. Yeah.
Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to the Juan and Jayden channel. Yeah, I know you haven't seen an unboxing or any reviews from us lately. That doesn't mean I haven't been getting any shoes in. Honestly, I've been getting shoes in. I've been selling them as quick as they've come in. And I just really never got around to doing any unboxing or reviews. Quite frankly, I just really didn't feel like it. But anyway, let's get started with this unboxing here. I can't remember which shoe this is. It came in, and I know some of you will say, well, you can just check the tracking on Nike. I just figured I just open it up and figure out what it is. When I open it, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, please. My son and I are trying to reach a goal. Right now, our goal is 500. And if you can reach 500, we'll randomly pick someone to give them $50. If we can get to 1,000 subscribers, we will give away a pair of shoes. We'll pick someone random out of one of our subscribers to give away a pair of shoes. Okay, so please like the video, comment, share your thoughts, and subscribe, please. All right, let's get to the unboxing. All right, that wasn't as easy to open up as the other side. All right, well, you see it is a pair of Nikes. Of course, that's what the box says. All right, let's see which Nike it is here. All right, voila. Let's open this up. Oh, that's a nice little tissue paper there, if they still call it that. All right, we got the double wrap. All right. Ooh. All right, guys. So these, wow. Did it come with enough shoestrings here? All right, so these are the LA to Chicago OG Jordan 1s. All right. So the amount of shoestrings that have come with this shoe, I have not seen before. All right, you got your red shoestrings here. I guess that's because of the Chicago Bulls color. Although it's not much red in the shoe, but there's enough of it in here that you can put it in there and it would look matte. It would look right because of the red trim here. You have your purple laces, black laces, and your white laces and your black laces right here. So, all right, let's get into it here. So you have your Nike SB. So this is leather. I'm pretty sure this is not genuine leather like shoes used to be back in the day. I'm pretty sure this is man-made leather. Actually, this shoe is lighter than the Turbo Green. I remember doing a review on the Turbo Green. If you just go through the channel, you'll see that this shoe is actually lighter than the Turbo Green. Interesting. Although it has all these shoestrings hanging off here, which makes it heavier. But then what that shoe actually is. But this is actually a lighter shoe. Same style, it's still the Jordan 1. It was actually lighter. All right, as you see here, these are, let's see, size 14. If you can see that there, yep, size 14. It has October 31st, 2008, the dates, October 31st, 2018 to January 21st, 2019. I don't totally know what those two dates are on these shoes. If someone can explain that to me, please do so. 'Cause I don't understand why it has two dates on there. I don't know, are those manufacturing dates or not? I don't know. All right. So now one thing I find interesting This cushion inside here actually sucks. I guess that's what I mean for them keeping these the OGs, because these are listed as OGs. This has an old school padding. This is quite rough. It's like that kind of hard nylon types. The cushioning, yeah. It's not like shoes today. See the stitching, it's frayed. But that's fine, you know. Nike's been doing this lately. Somebody that's been rushing, making these shoes. It's, you know, I don't know. Some of these retros I've seen, some of these Jordans. You have a lot of stuff on there. I mean, this is something. All these frays, horrible stitching. You know, you still got it through here. I mean, wow. All right. Anyway, so you see here, you got the red highlights here. That's a part of the leather here. You see it peeking through there, which I'm sure that's why they included the red shoestrings for it to match, although there's not the same color. As you see, it's not the same color. But anyway, this is the LA to Chicago. So you do have the Laker influence here with the purple and the gold here. Well, yeah, gold color Nike swoosh. You have your little red accents here in the stitching. It's nice. You have an all black hard rubber sole bottom. Original Nike sign, keeping it, the original tread here. So they're keeping with the whole OG theme here. That's what you have here. You get the Air Jordan, the original symbol there. Yes, still trademarked, of course. I remember when this first came out, because if some of you are around my age, you will remember a jean company called Jordache. That Jordache symbol was very similar to this. Well, the Air Jordan symbol was similar to the Jordache, because Jordache was out before Jordan had his shoe. But here you have it. The heel is hard, so there's obviously a heel counter in there. But it doesn't feel like it's, let me see, what's this feel like in here? Wow, that is hard. That is hard in there. Wow, yeah. I've never been a fan of this particular Jordan. The Jordan 1s, I wasn't a fan of when they first came out. I'm definitely not a fan of them now, but I got this. So I figured this would be a good resale sneaker, and quite frankly, I just wanted to do a unboxing and a quick little review. I'm not going to try these on. Quite frankly, I'm going to feel like my feet hurting, because these feel like they would hurt my feet. This is an interesting stitching. I don't remember if they had that stitch in there before, because I don't recall the turbo greens having that stitching like that there, but I'm pretty sure the originals had that. All right, guys. Well, here you go. This was a quick unboxing. LA to Chicago. Jordan 1 OG Retros. Let me know what you think of them. Would you rock these? Me personally, no. Well, let me know if you would rock them. These are currently, I am selling these. So if you want them, leave a comment. These are a size 14. Leave a comment. Let me know if you want them or not, and we can work on price and shipping. All right. All right, guys. Peace out. Remember, don't forget to subscribe. All right. Thanks. Peace.